It is a beautiful spring day. It's about 14 degrees Celsius and the garden is just looking beautiful again. I've been sowing some things indoors. Some basil, some coriander, and, very proud, my first habanero chili. Well, not my first. This is the first one I grew last year in my greenhouse. That thing that is over there. I got a very nice haul and I dried 3 of these with seeds in them. And I've sowed them in these. And hopefully this will give me about 12 habanero chili plants. But there's more, there's way more. I've also sowed some coriander in one of the pots here outdoor. And I have some spinach and I have some romaine salad. These two I've sowed into those bins over there. Let me show you. So over here you can see the dots where I pointed my finger in. And in these, as you probably hopefully can see here, are some seeds. This is the spinach. And this here is where the romaine salad is going to go. For your idea, this is garlic I sowed in October, November, and it's looking beautiful. It should be done in June, July, about that. But it's looking very vivid green. And it's garlic in the winter is so beautiful because everything is dead. But this is just always a joy to look at. And it smells amazing. And sometimes you even get 2, like these 2 over here. Very cool. And as I said, it's looking amazing here. Take a look at this. This is my pear tree. And look at it. It's just stunning. Same goes for my cherry blossoms. They're very, very close to hatching. And my personal favorite is this apple tree. I adore the cherries. The cherries, they're so delicious. But this apple tree, the blossoms are so incredibly beautiful. So let me take you on the further view of my garden. This is where I sowed some coriander in as well. This still has strawberries from last year. And it started with this patch of strawberries. But at the end of the summer, it was all strawberries. I have some oregano over here. You got some sage, some mint, and this mint is amazing for food but also for tea. It's just amazing. I have some roses, beautiful white ones, as you can see. Beautiful, look at this. And I'm especially very proud of these 2 over here. These are blueberries and it's getting a nice old stem. Amazing. And the blueberries are so delicious, way better than those bought from the store. But I'm also working on something different. Mushrooms. Oyster mushrooms to be exact. I bought some mycelium, I put it in little bags with some hay in it, and then I put it on my attic for about, I don't know, maybe a month until it was all colonized. And then this is the result right now. And as you can see, they're ready to set. I made some cuts in them and hopefully within a week, maybe 2, I have some beautiful oyster mushrooms. We're gonna find out. Anyway, this is a small update of the garden of this year. This table over here, it's not as beautiful as it should be, so I'm gonna sand it up and put it in a new paint of furnish, and then it should look amazing again. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.